like to cook my food, man. Cooking up my livers, and some pumpkin. Gonna cook pumpkin, you know, and rent a yam. This is Jamaican natural living. This is culture country lifestyle. That's my pumpkin, my fans. I planted it. Do you think it's a nice pumpkin? Yeah, yes. Very nice pumpkin. Organic pumpkin. We'll cut slice and put it in. Look at the beauty of it, my fans. There, quality. Even the bird them knows I'm cooking. You can hear the parrot them. This is high grade pumpkin. High quality, no chemical, no fertilizer. That's the beauty. But you can plant your own stuff. Big up all of my fans. You like pumpkin? If you like pumpkin, I think Cecile like pumpkin. Catechin like pumpkin. Every time I laugh, I remember my friend them. Oh gosh. All my friend them in America, Africa, Canada, England, Jam down, Jamaica, the Caribbean. High quality punk. Look at the seeds, and those seeds I'm gonna replant those seeds, you know, and eat some of the seeds. That's my charcoal fire, natural oat charcoal. Yes, it's nice when a man can cook now, man. No spy to them time. Every man should learn to cook. Here's young boys who no learn to cook. I'll be industrious. Learn to cook and plan food. Because all the USA that kind of cut worldwide now, America cut them spending. So Jamaica, a long time I was warning, you know, to plan food. The free handout thing I kind of phase out somewhere what you know. Doing this thing to cut world population. All them USA that did run all about in Africa. It's a plan to cut the population. Take a look in my little pot now, you know. Yeah. So me rent my pumpkin, the simple cooking, but it's good, highly important. Though you see that little spot there on the renter you're nice. Like nicest renter them you can find. Even the cats them smell me food. Look on the cat them. Say hello to the cats them, you know. Cooking food. Cat them enjoying themselves. Yes. Big up on yourself, kitten. If you like natural cooking, I can give this video a thumbs up, you know. I like my homemade cooking still. To me, that's the best. When you cook and know what you are eating. That's my opinion. Some people rather the fast food. Well, that's their choice. But me like to know what I am eating or it look after. Look at what something missing right here. So when they've cateching them can know what missing here. So something else was here right in front of me. I show me what was there before. Something is missing now. I always observe the video. Them Cecilia, very observant. What is missing at this spot? Leave in a comment, let me know. So we observe all these videos, you know. Black History Month. Pure Bob Marley song I play for radio mostly now. So this video done in the month of February 2025 under the 47th president. I run a place. Make people get scared and panic. Some of the street they're empty. Not the Big Apple. This a man named the Dan of Dans. Make a whole heap of people of here hide him at the real Dan Gargan, 47th president. Man, him brethren them. Say man make the people get panic and them. I remember the real top done. But you check it out. All the so much money make panic, brother. Whoa, big up my nice plants, see? They have little jokes sometimes. My fans. Whoa. See, there again, my fan. Would have take a slice of the pudding. Just natural, simple as a one-man army. Look there. You go with liver, you know. Chicken liver, some chicken heart. Thanks everyone for watching. You know, big up on yourself and leave a comment. One love from Jamrock. Pineapple liver in Jamaica, Culture Country Lifestyle YouTube channel. Welcome to my liver. It smells good. Whoa. And the flavor from the scotch and the pepper and the ginger and all those stuff in the rosemary. Big up all of my fans and worldwide. Do you like liver? Sissy, Catty, Chin, Love One, Stone Bees, Nagana, the whole massive, you know. The one, Yesha, Andrea, all of the folks, and Dana. Big up on yourself, Catty, Chin. Whoa. Man, this thing here smell good. Prepping it down now with some notch final touch, you know, so we'll finish up now, my fans. Whoa, smells so good, man. Please give the video a thumbs up, my fans. This is liver in rural Jamaica by Culture Country Lifestyle.